Here is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. I'm going to show you how to use the wireless power sharing feature, okay? And I'm going to test a few items out, a few phones, with cases, and I have a slight issue on mine, okay? Maybe yours will be different. But anyway, first thing is let's go ahead and activate, let's turn on the wireless power sharing first, okay? So first thing is just go to your settings. You can swipe up in the middle of the screen like that. And then we're going to go to settings. And then from here, you want to go to battery and device care. So scroll down where it is. Okay, battery and device care right here. Let's tap on that and then tap on battery right there. And then down here it says wireless power sharing. Let's tap on that and then go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so we turn it on. Now what we want to do is put a device on there. So here's Apple iPods. No problem. How about Samsung Galaxy Buds? No problem. I can see the red light down there. So it's charging. Now let's try this. Let's try my iPhone here. iPhone 11 Pro. Look at this. It does not charge, okay? Even a Samsung Galaxy S10, no case. I don't know why, but it does not charge. Okay, now if I go ahead and get my Samsung Galaxy, this is a Galaxy Watch 4, the new one just came out. This one vibrates, okay? So with the Fold 3, I'm just having issues. There's no use of me trying to test if it can charge a phone with a case on here. But for example, here's a Flip 3 here, not the Fold. This is the Flip 3 here. But this one works on everything, okay? So if I turn this one on, you can see the watch here works, okay? Of course, the watch here works on the Fold 3 as well, okay? And Apple AirPods work there. Apple AirPods works here as well. However, the phone, iPhone 11 Pro, no case, nothing. It doesn't work on the Fold 3. However, on the Flip 3, it works. Even with a OtterBox case on an iPhone 8, it's a double layer, super thick case. It'll work on the Flip 3. However, the Fold 3, no, nothing. And then let's just try this Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Nothing. But the Flip 3, it works. So hopefully mine is just defective. I don't know if you're able to charge your phone on yours, just comment below. All right. Anyway, oh yeah, and if you want to go ahead and turn it back off, you can just go ahead and toggle it off right there. All right. Pretty simple. Good luck.